So, fun fact, I was actually supposed to declutter my makeup collection 2 weeks ago, and I'm just now getting to it, but it's okay, we're doing it now. So hey y'all, I hope y'all are having a great day today. We are going to tackle my makeup collection. Now I have some expired products, some products I just don't use and I need to get rid of, so I'm just going to clean, organize, and also declutter all in this one video. So I am a makeup artist and this is my personal makeup, so this is the makeup that I actually use. I do feel like I need a good bit of makeup just because I like to do colorful looks. I like to do different type of looks, soft glam, you know, girl, I just be doing so much. So I do need a good bit of makeup, but honestly y'all, it was time to organize, y'all. This was just a hot mess and I can't believe I let it get that bad. So you already know we gotta turn on some music. This is my favorite song, y'all. That is Love Yours by J. Cole. So I'm gonna jam out to that while I'm actually doing my declutter, cleaning, and everything. And if you need some cleaning motivation, y'all, make sure you turn on some music, girl. Get into the vibe, get into the mood, okay? Honestly y'all, I did not feel like recording this video, but I was like, you know what, I said I was going to do it, so I'm going to do it. And I wanted to do something different on my channel. I've been doing a lot of perfume videos, y'all. Those were some eyelashes. I honestly thought it was a spider, but it was some eyelashes. So I'm just placing everything in my little container, and then I'm just going to go through it a little bit later. This is how I like to clean, and I do like to do this about every 2 months just so I can clean everything. And it is so hard to keep those acrylic containers clean, y'all. And I'm sorry about some of these angles. Honestly y'all, I was just trying to get it done. You know how sometimes you just gotta go for it, girl. So now I'm just taking off like all of my lipsticks, lip glosses, and everything. And honestly y'all, I have so many lip glosses, lipsticks, and stuff. I didn't realize I had this much. So going through all of this definitely made me realize what I do have and what I need to actually stock up on. I know it seems like I have a lot of makeup, but honestly y'all, it's mostly lip products. I need to restock on a lot of my products like concealers. I definitely need some primers. So girl, if you know some good primers out there, girl, leave them down below. So I'm just dumping all of that into that little container. And I hope this video motivates you guys to get up, declutter. It doesn't have to be your makeup collection. It could be your perfume collection. It could be your shoe collection, clothes. My next step is clothes, y'all. I have so many clothes. So this is all my makeup. I just put everything in this container, and that is actually some alcohol in a spray bottle. So I like to use alcohol whenever I am wiping down like my storage containers for my makeup, because it's not harsh at all, and you don't want to use something harsh definitely when you're dealing with the makeup. So I'm just gonna wipe everything down. I absolutely hate those cords in the back, so y'all, I kind of rearranged it. So my vanity mirror is actually from iHome. Honestly y'all, that is the best mirror ever. It has like 3 different lighting settings and you can play music, girl. It's just all that in a bag of chips, and I love it. And I hate those cords in the background, so I'm just going to kind of cover it up with pretty much my makeup collection, y'all. You see how I did that? So I'm just gonna go through all of my palettes really quick. I really didn't get rid of a lot of palettes because I am a palette girl, and y'all, I wanted that box of crayons palette so bad, and I haven't even used it yet. Like, I haven't even used it not one time, but I am definitely going to use it. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram because I am definitely going to start uploading some more makeup tutorials, not just of my clients but of me as well. So I'm just going through all of the palettes, and honestly y'all, Juvia's Place crayon case, those are just the palettes that I really love. Now I did get rid of that BH Cosmetics palette. I do love that palette, but it is so freaking old. I just had to get rid of it. So now I'm going to just place all of my palettes back on there. And I do like that BH Cosmetics palette that I have in the back. That's one of my favorite palettes. I have that one in my collection, also my makeup artist collection. And I do have only like 3 contour and blush palettes, so I'm just going to stick that onto the side. And y'all, that container actually came from the Dollar Tree, so I put all of my eyeshadows and everything in there. And look how much makeup that is, y'all. That's a lot of freaking makeup. So I'm just going to just start picking out out different products. So we're first going to start off with concealers. Now I do need to kind of re-up on concealers. I did have the e.l.f. camo concealer and I ran out of it, so I need to restock that. And I did get rid of some concealers that were just not good quality, or it was just old. It was just time to throw it out. I do love the Juvia's Place concealer. I need to get more of those. I love those. So how I declutter, I just put what I'm keeping on one side and what I'm getting rid of on the other side. And y'all, I do not like that ColourPop concealer. I tried to like it, but y'all, honestly, it just creases so bad. I don't like it. It was hyped and I just, girl, it was just a no for me. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just kind of separating what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to get rid of. So I did decide to get rid of those concealers, and that's it. I do want to restock some of my concealers. I know it seems like I have a lot. I don't want to keep saying that because I really feel like I have a decent amount, seeing the fact I'm a makeup artist. The next section we're gonna do is my mascaras and my eyeliners. Now I don't have that much mascaras and eyeliners, so I'm just gonna keep those. Those are pretty much my favorite. I do need some more mascaras because I just have some minis. I do have some single blushes and also highlighters, but if I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I really don't use them that much. But I do want to keep these just because I do love these. I just normally gravitate towards the ones inside of like the contouring palettes, and I never really reach for these. I'm just not a single type of girl. Like, I like palettes, so I don't really gravitate towards these, but I am going to start using them because they are some bomb products. Now let's get into the lip section, y'all. I have liquid lipsticks, lip glosses, lipsticks. Y'all, have so many lip products. I didn't even realize I had this many, and I definitely need to declutter more than I did. I did do a pretty good job at decluttering some of them, but I do want a whole luxury lipstick collection. So I really do like the Pat McGrath lipsticks and also the YSL lipsticks, so I kind of want a mini collection of those. And also I do want some MAC lipsticks as well. I have a lot of MAC lipsticks in my makeup artist collection, but not in my personal collection. And honestly, y'all, some of these lipsticks were just old and I just had to get rid of them. I do have a lot of lip products, y'all, but when I do makeup looks, I kind of need variety. But honestly, I'm probably going to go over the lipsticks and everything that I kept, because most of them I'm not going to use. And if I'm gonna be honest with you, I really just use like nude lipsticks, and that's it, like pink lipsticks and things like that. Now I do sell lip gloss on my website, so I use lip gloss a good bit. So if you want to check out my lip glosses, y'all, it will be linked down below. And I'm just kind of swatching everything to see what I'm going to keep and what I'm not. So I did decide to get rid of these lip products, but I also had some more lip products I got rid of. I just didn't show it on camera. I love these Milani lipsticks. I've had these in my collection for a while. I love the new shades. The nude shades are just it, and I love the packaging, so I can't get rid of those. Normally if I'm wearing like a nude lipstick, I'm wearing the Milani. And also I love the Fenty Beauty lipsticks. I feel like they have some really good lipsticks. I think they're on clearance right now, actually. So yeah, y'all, I may pick some more up. So that's the first drawer. So now I'm just gonna do the second drawer as the liquid lipsticks, and I do have some LA colors, so I'm just kind of color coordinating this a little bit. And I do like the LA colors liquid lipsticks. I do have Juvia's Place as well, and now I'm going to go in with my lip glosses. These are actually from my brand. The first 5 are from my brand, so if you want to check them out, y'all, they will be linked down below in the description box. So yeah, y'all, this is all my lip glosses that I'm actually keeping. Now we're going to move on to foundations, and I really don't have that many foundations. Honestly, I need to re-up on some of my foundations. Definitely my Maybelline Fit Me, so I did throw that one away because it was literally nothing in there. And the Range, I think it's called Range Beauty foundation, it just sucks. So I was like, let me just go ahead and throw it away. I don't like to waste my money, but honestly, y'all, it was just sitting there collecting dust because I haven't used it yet. And then I'm going to also add on my primers. Now I don't have a lot of primers, and I need to re-up on my primers. And honestly, y'all, that e.l.f. container is pretty much done with, the black one. because I need to re-up. It's like a little bit left in there and that's it. So now I'm just going to add my setting powders, and this little container, y'all, this is like my everyday makeup. If I'm doing my makeup, I normally gravitate towards everything in this little cube right here, so it's easy for me to reach. And off camera I did declutter some of my facial powders, so I'm just going to put 2 right there. And then also I have some lashes. Y'all know I only use my lashes. They will be linked down below. I have long lashes, 25 mm's. I have short lashes. I have medium sized lashes. I have lashes for everybody, okay? And y'all already know my favorite lash is Balm. So now I'm just going to declutter my eyeliners, my lip liners, and my brow pencils. But I didn't want to bore y'all with that because some of that stuff was expired. So yeah, I didn't want to bore y'all, but this is pretty much everything that I got rid of. Now I'm looking at it, it's not that much actually, but I feel like I did good. So yeah, y'all, I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some cleaning, decluttering motivation for 2022. Girl, it don't matter when you start, just make sure you start, okay? And I love the way this looks. I love when my vanity just looks really, really good. My perfumes is right next to my makeup, so I really like this space to look just neat, clean, and organized. Honestly, y'all, when I was done with this, I felt so good because this was on my to-do list for like 2 weeks, y'all. And normally I like to do this about every 2 months just so I can clean everything and I can just see what I have, what I don't have, and I can just re-up on the things that I need. But I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, I will see y'all on my next video.